Game tree is one of the particular technique which is exploring the number of ways by which a particular intelligent system can work. So we'll take one of the example that is nothing but a tic-tac-toe game. So this particular tree shows what are the different ways by which a particular machine can explore its game or machine can play. So this bottom is indicating some of the ways by which a particular machine can play if it's having one of the opponent. So as shown in the diagram, or we can say a tree, we are playing or we are starting from an initial node. Then one of the player is putting its sign into one of the particular region. Okay, here it is putting in this particular 1 1. Here it is putting in a 1 2, and here it is putting an at a position 2 2. Okay, so we are calculating here a heuristic values, or we can say a chances of winning. So here if we'll take into consideration, then a particular player that is having a sign X has a 3 chances of winning. Okay, and its opponent is still to play, so it will be having a 0 chances of winning. So now I am getting a particular heuristic value that is nothing but the chances of winning of a particular player that is having a cross sign. So that is nothing but 3. The next player, or the next way, if I'll play, then if I'll put this particular sign at this particular location, then this particular player is having a chances of winning that is nothing but 2. And if a particular player will put a sign in between this particular region, then he is having a 4 chances of winning. So this particular, if a player will play by this particular way, then it is getting 4 chances of winning, means a maximum chances of winning. So a particular machine will select this particular node automatically because it is having a maximum chances of winning, and if a machine is having interested to get a win or a success, definitely it will select this particular way. Now after reaching to this particular node, it has to explore all the possibilities of its opponent's playing. Now opponent will play, and opponent will put his sign, okay, his or her sign into a particular block, okay, which are remaining after putting a sign of first player. So these are the different 8 ways by which a particular opponent can play. So a machine has to take into consideration the chances of its winning minus chances of its opponent winning, and it has to generate a particular heuristic value that is nothing but giving a success rate. So here we are considering 1, that is nothing but 3 chances of winning of a particular player that is having a sign cross, and 2 chances of winning of a player which is having a sign 0. So we are getting, or we are generating a particular success rate in this particular way. So in this way we can generate a different game trees for different types of games. So this is about your game tree, in which one of the player is playing at one of the level. After that its opponent will play. In this way this process goes one after another, and the particular tree construction or the possibilities of exploring a particular chances of winning is going on. The next we'll take into consideration the next technique that is called as a min-max search. So this search techniques is similar to a particular game tree construction, but it is giving us a different chances of winning, and we have to find out the best path for getting a win, that is nothing but it may be a success or it may be a losing. So we are providing these particular nodes, one of the node, or we can say these 1 0 1 0 minus 1, these are nothing but the chances of winning. And at this particular node, that is, we should bring a minimum value, and at this particular node we should bring a maximum value. Means whenever we play, we make it maximize, or we make our game maximum, then our opponent's play and he'll try to make our game minimum. So I am bringing this particular minimum value here out of these 4 nodes, out of these 2 nodes, and out of these 2 nodes. Each root will be having a minimum value at this particular level. So I am fetching -1 here, I am fetching 1 here, and I am fetching -1 here out of these particular 5 nodes. Then after that opponent, after that I'll play means the first player, second player will play, and he will try to maximize its success. So it is going to fetch a maximum value out of these three nodes. So I'm getting a 1. So now if I'm interested to trace a particular success path through this particular root node, then it will be backtrace, or it will be backtrack from the root node to a leaf node. So if a particular player will play by this particular way, then he will get a maximum success. So this is a normal min-max search. We'll also take into consideration another example. Now these are all the chances of winning or losing. Okay, these are different chances, or we can say a success rates given. Now we should consider a particular path of success. So we'll take into consideration this value, and we'll take into consideration this particular levels. So suppose at this is a particular maximization level. So we should fetch a maximum value from these particular nodes to their root nodes. So if we'll consider these two nodes, then we'll fetch a maximum value that is nothing but 5. The next, if we'll consider these two nodes, then we should fetch a maximum value that is nothing but 7. If we'll consider these two nodes, then we'll fetch -3. And if we'll consider this particular node, then we'll fetch a maximum value that is nothing but 8. Then opponent will play, and opponent will try to maximize its game and to minimize the first player's game. So it will try to fetch a minimum value that is nothing but 5. The next, it will try to bring a minimum value. The next is nothing but a maximization level. So it has to fetch a maximum value here. So the maximum value out of these A and B is nothing but a 5. So as we'll reach this particular root node, we'll backtrack from that particular node, and we'll cross check, or we'll get, or we'll backtrack to a particular leaf node, so that if we'll follow that particular path, then we'll get a maximum success. So in this way, a min-max search works, and it helps to explore a particular path which will give a maximum success. Okay, sorry, but it is nothing but it will reach till a particular path that is nothing but this particular path. Path of success is R to A, A to C, and C to H.